Hey everybody, hope you're having a good time. 2021, hope the new year has been good. My name is Randy Sin, I'm an energy healer and manifesting coach, and if you haven't seen my videos, check out my channel. There's a lot of good stuff on manifesting, creating your reality, and more on spirituality and how to align with your own passions, your own creation. As this is your creation, whether you know it or not, you are creating, you are manifesting. What your thoughts are updated every single day. Every single day there's adaptation, there's beliefs and assumptions, there's data in your environment, with the people you interact with insights and knowledge and learning you get into your brain, that will be updated. So every time you, as an individual, wake up for the day, set that intention of what you want to get out of the day. Feel that sensation of what you want to create. In this video, I'd like to talk about abundance and why people can't feel the abundance. You say that the universe is abundant, that you could have what you want. If you're familiar with The Secret, I'm somewhat familiar with The Secret. I do a lot of law of attraction work and manifesting. I don't think I fully saw The Secret on Netflix, but a lot of my clients have, and friends have as well too. So it is a universal truth, but there's a difference between thinking about it intellectually and actually feeling abundance, as that is your life, it's your existence. The universe is ever expanding, so the sense of abundance, a sense of lack versus prosperity, or not having versus having, is a mental thing. So you're switching on of what I don't have in this yet in the physical world and what you want to have. And this sense of wanting is this energetic barrier that most people have. So for you guys, if you do feel you want more abundance in your life, more wellness, more relationships, healthy, happy, empowering people around you, inspiration, then you have to make that commitment to yourself. And that inspiration has to come from your words and your desire. That any unconditional love is from God. That God that doesn't like you or judges you or damns you or says you're going to hell, what kind of God would you want to be associated with? So the sense of God or source or all that is as what we see, feel, and experience is very little to the infinite universe or the source of all things. You can even say this is 0.00001% and everything else is 99%, but we can't see it with your eyes. But most of us use our eyes to create our reality the most, and we rely on it the most. So there's a limitation on that. We use our mind's eye, our spiritual eye, by planting the imaginal seeds and seeing that imagination is as real, as tangible, because the subconscious cannot tell if your eyes are closed or not closed, but has a sensation, a feeling, a memory of what things feel like, what memories are, what certain people talk, like how do they talk, what is their patterns, what do they sound like. There's a recognition of this, and you can register it, and that can be applicable to anything. So knowing that you're actually the source of this and that the universe is working for you, not against you, you could utilize this information, you can utilize these practices of seeing the untrue belief. Every time you feel lack, every time you see lack, it is not true. It's something that's implanted in you, whether it's from generations of starvation, lack, working in scarcity, thinking in scarcity, believing that you're tied into this environment when there's no anchor. There's a physical and mental anchor that you place on yourself, but in reality that your spirit is free, your consciousness is free, your consciousness is everywhere and everything, it's all there. That essentially is God too. God realizing God makes more of God. The image of the creator is not just the image, it is the creator. So you're creating images in your head, you're creating images in your soul and spirit. So be tapped into that source, because that's who you are. That's truly who you are. Before any thought, emotion, sensation, description, any noise, there you are. Your beingness, you still exist. You are source. And you can do this through self-inquiry. Every time you think, there's a source of that. Every time you see your hand, there's a source of that. Every time you look at the mirror, There's someone looking at the mirror. What is the awareness of the observer that's looking at the mirror? Are you smiling, or is it a reflection? And who is this you? If you can control just like a smile or movement, what else can you do? So you're not your body. You're not just the reflection. There's so much more to you. And that's who you truly are. More and more you'll see this expansion. The more you feel into this, that everything is valid and everything is possible. Anything is possible. You have to align to it, connect to your relevant truths, what's relevant for your journey. I do this in coaching. You could see my website, randysin.com, if you want sessions and coaching plans. You can utilize this. This year is going to be great. Make 2021 the best year for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. You are the future.